So today we are going to make slime. It is technically edible. It's safe, but I don't suggest you eat it. It probably won't taste very good. It'll probably smell good, but it probably won't taste very good. Our ingredients, what you need is you need some cornstarch. You need some white jello, so it could be vanilla or white chocolate. Then you can grab your food coloring, whatever color you would like to make your slime. I'm going to make mine red pinky. And you need 1/3 cup of water. With that being said, our tools that we need are a measuring cup to measure 1/3 cup of water, a measuring cup of 1 cup for our cornstarch, a 1/3 measuring cup for our vanilla or white chocolate pudding powder, bowl, and a spoon. All right, to start us out, what you are going to do is you are going to measure 1 cup of your cornstarch. So use a spoon or you can pour it in and measure 1 cup of your cornstarch. Next, what I want you to do is grab your pudding powder, and we need 1/3 cup of this. So grab your 1/3 measuring cup and pour until you fill this up. What I want you to do, even though they look the same color, give it a really good mix without spilling like I just did. If you have mixed that together, your next step is going to be to put a few drops of food coloring in. I did. And give that a mix around again so the food coloring drops are in there. Can't even see them, they're hidden in there. And next step is to measure 1/3 cup of water. 1/3 cup. And before you go ahead, don't dump it all in. Try and leave a little bit because we don't want to make our slime too slimy. So pour in most of your water. Leave a little bit out. And start to give that a mix really slowly. This is the longest part and maybe the part that we might need a little bit of help with because it gets super clumpy. All right, and obviously this is not our slime yet, so when you get it so that there's lots of little clumps and you've broken down all the big ones, that is when you can continuously, very slowly add in more water as you see fit. If you add too much water, don't worry, we can always go back and add more cornstarch. You're looking for about a Play-Doh consistency. And I see my pink starting to come through. Mine is too sticky for my hands. It's sticking to my spoon every time I try and mix it now. So turns out in the end I did add too much water. So now I have to go back and add some more cornstarch. So I think mine's gotten to a good consistency where I can squish it and it doesn't stick on my hands. And it's kind of like Play-Doh. Play-Doh slime, somewhere in the middle. All right, friends, well, I'm gonna leave you guys to play with your slime. Thanks for joining.